Hi folks, in this video I'll show you how to graph your data for the enzyme lab where we did pH and temperature as variables. So you can see here I've got just the temperature table. It's going to be the same for pH, so it doesn't really matter which data we're using, but I've got my temperatures here. If you did pH, you'd have your pHs. Then I've got the velocity because we're graphing velocity versus temperature. So obviously temperature is the x-axis, velocity is the y. So again, just click and drag and select all your data. Go to Insert, then Charts, and you want to pick a scatter, and then pick the one with the smooth lines. And then again, go up to Quick Layout, pick your first option. Your x-axis is going to be temperature in degrees Celsius, and then your y-axis is going to be velocity in micromoles per minute. And then your title should say also velocity versus time versus temp. Okay, that's how you do it.